What's up, duck hunters and fishermen? Here's your deep slough access. Says to the Washita River, but I don't think it's near the Washita River. But it's the opening morning of duck season. No, the first split of duck season. There went somebody in a duck boat right there. If you're wondering why I came down here opening morning of duck season, is because this is really the busiest time of the year for this place. You can see there's not very many people here. Wait on that guy to get out of the way. Here's your information sign that tells you where you are in relation to everything else down here. And actually, behind that gate, there used to be a boat ramp out there that actually would let you put in directly to the channel of Deep Slough. I don't know if they just have it locked up for right now or what, but there's your boat ramp right there. There's actually a road in front of us too. Huh. I don't know if that's part of the old highway or what, but I'm sure somebody uses it to go hunting. Anyways, y'all stay safe. There's your Deep Slough access. Y'all stay safe out there and have a good day.